In this video, I'm going to show you how you can lazy load your YouTube videos and improve your blog loading speed. So when you embed a YouTube video in your website, you will see that the page score decreased significantly. So here in this page, I am not using lazy load, and you can see the page score is around 53. And when I scroll down, you will see an error like this: reduce JavaScript execution time. And here the YouTube video is showing like this, and it is taking around 1037 millisecond to load the YouTube video. So how we can fix this error? So here is another page with lazy load, and you can see the performance is now improved to 77. So you can see 53 to 77 just by implementing lazy load YouTube video in Blogger website. So the process is pretty simple. All you have to do is just log into your Blogger dashboard. Just click on your existing blog post. Here make sure to switch to HTML view, and you need to paste a code like this. I will include the code link in the description. All you have to do is just change the video ID here. So this is the video ID. So whenever you go to YouTube and click on share, you will see the video ID here. So here just copy after the forward slash and copy before the question mark. So this is the video ID. Let me copy it, and all I have to do is just replace the ID. That's it, and your lazy load YouTube video will be added like this. So this is the HTML code, and this is the CSS code for the lazy load. So you can copy the CSS and JavaScript code in your theme code, so you don't have to paste it in every pages of your Blogger website. So let's hit update, and this is how it looks. So it will display a YouTube thumbnail with a play icon. So whenever someone load the web page, it will not load the complete video, it will load only the thumbnail and a button. So it will load the web page faster, and whenever a user click on the button, it will start playing the video like this. So this is how you can improve your blog loading speed. So it will not hamper the initial loading of the web page, and there is a second version as well. So let me open this, and here it will display the page title along with the image and the button. So you can use any one. I will include the source code link in the description. Just copy it and use it on your Blogger website. So all you have to do is just go to the Blogger website, and you just need to paste this HTML code, and you can cut this CSS and JavaScript code, so you don't have to use it on multiple blog posts. So let me go back. Let's go to theme, and let me click on edit HTML. Now scroll down to the end of the theme code and paste it just before the closing body tag. And here you can use Blogger conditional tags to load only on post page and keep it disabled for home page or your static pages. So you can use Blogger conditional tag as well. So I already make videos on how to use Blogger conditional tag. You can follow that video as well. So let me hit save. So once you save the CSS and JavaScript code for the lazy load, you don't have to use it again on blog post. All you have to do is just copy the HTML code. So let me go to this blog post. Let me copy it, and I can create a new blog post, and I will paste it like this. Now I will go to YouTube and copy the video ID. So let me click on share, and here is the video ID, and replace it here like this, and let me hit publish. Now let me open it, and you can see the lazy load YouTube video is now added to our website. So this is how simple it is to add a lazy load YouTube videos in Blogger website, and you can easily improve your blog loading speed with a simple trick like this. So if you found this type of content helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, and do subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.